Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on permutation, lecture number 4, in which I will discuss on transposition in a permutation. Now we define transposition. A two cycle of a permutation is called a transposition. For example, let F be a permutation. Here image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 4. Here we see that 1 3 3 1 means in cycle form this permutation F is written as 1, 3. Here F is 2 cycle because here we have 2 elements. Hence it is a transposition. Now we discuss on followings. Number 1. A one cycle is identity permutation. Let S be a finite set containing elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let 4 disjoint cycles are. This is one cycle under bracket 1. This is also one cycle under bracket 2. This is also one cycle under bracket 3. This is also one cycle under bracket 4. Each of length 1, that is of one cycle. The product of 4 disjoint cycles is the identity permutation. Here image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3 and image of 4 is 4. That is identity permutation. This can be expressed as a product of transposition of the form under bracket ARAS multiply under bracket AR, AS. Let we take of this form. Here we have taken transposition 1, 2 and same transposition 1, 2. Now we multiply these two transpositions, means two permutations, means product of 2 cycles. Here this means image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. We write this in the form of permutation. Here we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. Remaining image of 3 is 3, image of 4 is 4. We also write this cycle as permutation. Firstly we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. Image of 3 is 3, image of 4 is 4. Now we multiply this. In the case of multiplication or composite of 2 permutations, we firstly use this permutation. Here we write 1, 2, 3, 4. We take firstly this image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. So we write 1 under 1. Now we calculate for 2. Here image of 2 is 1 and image of 1 is 2. So 2 under 2. Here 3. Here we take image of 3 is 3. Here image of 3 is 3. So we write 3 under 3. Now 4. Image of 4 is 4 and here also image of 4 is 4. We write 4. So image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3, image of 4 is 4. This is the identity permutation. So product of two transpositions of this kind give identity permutation. Also we take product of two transposition of this kind. Here we take 2 4 and again 2 4. We write this in the form of permutation. Firstly we write 1 2 3 4. Here image of 2 is 4. We write here 4. Image of 4 is 2. We write here 2. Image of 1 is 1. Image of 3 is 3. Same. Here also in the similar way we write. Now we get the product of two permutations. So firstly we write 1 2 3 4. Now we take image of 1 is 1. Then here image of 1 is 1. So we write 1 under 1. Now we write for 2. Here image of 2 is 4 and image of 4 is 2. So we write 2 under 2. Here image of 3 is 3. Here also image of 3 is 3. So under 3 we write 3. Here image of 4 is 2 and image of 2 is 4. So we write 4 under 4. This is identity permutation. So product of two transposition of this type gives identity permutation. Number 2, a 2 cycle is itself transposition. Number 3, a 3 cycle A1, A2, A3 can be expressed as product of two transpositions A1, A3 multiply A1, A2. Now we examine this. Example. Let S is a finite set containing elements 1, 2 and 3. And let F be a permutation of 3 cycle 1, 2, 3. That is, image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3 and image of 3 is 1. This is of 3 cycle. Now let G be another permutation of 2 cycle 1, 3 and H is another 2 cycle permutation 1, 2. Now we multiply G and H, GH equal to, here G means 2 cycle 1, 3 and H means 2 cycle 1, 2. Now we write this in the form of permutation. Firstly we write 1, 2, 3. Here image of 1 is 3. We write here 3. Image of 3 is 1. We write here 1. And image of 2 is 2. For this we write 1, 2, 3. Here image of 1 is 2. We write here 2. And image of 2 is 1. Here we write 1. And image of 3 is 3. Now we multiply these two permutations. Firstly we write 1, 2, 3 and we take here image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 2. So we write 2 under 1. Next 2. Here image of 2 is 1 and image of 1 is 3. So here we write 3. Here image of 3 is 3. Here image of 3 is 1. So we write here 1. And Here we see that image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1. That is, it is of 3 cycle. 1, 2, 3. That is F. Therefore, F equal to GH. And 3 cycle 1, 2, 3 equal to G means 1, 3 and H means 1, 2. Number 4. Similar to 3, an R cycle A1, A2, AR can be expressed as product of transpositions A1 AR, then A1 AR minus 1, then lastly A1 A2. These are all transpositions. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is every permutation on a finite set containing at least 2 elements can be expressed as a product of transpositions. Now we prove this. Here, case number 1. Let I be the identity permutation and it can be expressed as product of 2 transpositions ARAS and ARAS. That is, identity permutation is expressed as product of 2 transpositions ARAS and ARAS. We know that every permutation on a finite set is either a cycle or it can be expressed as product of disjoint cycles. On the basis of this idea, we take cases 2 and 3. In case 2, let entire permutation is a cycle. Without loss of generality, let F be a permutation which is of M cycle. Here cycle is represented as A1, A2, AM. Then we may write this M cycle as product of A minus 1 transpositions. Transpositions are A1 AM, A1 AM minus 1, A1 A2. That is product of A minus 1 transpositions. In case 3, the permutation F is expressed as product of disjoint cycles F1, F2 Ft. Here F1, F2 Ft all are disjoint cycles. We know that any R cycle A1, A2, AR can be expressed as product of transpositions A1, AR multiply A1, AR minus 1 multiply A1, A2. That is product of transpositions. So each Fi, I equal to 1, 2, T may be expressed as product of transpositions. Therefore, their multiplication F1 multiply F2 multiply Ft equal to F is expressed as product of transpositions. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.